This is the Global Economic Scrap Metal Commodities and Recycling Report by BENLEE Roll-Off Trailers and Open-Top Scrap Trailers, June 10, 2019. U.S. steel production fell to 1.89 million tons, a multi-month low on less tariff protection and slowing U.S. demand. Oil rose to $53.99, remaining near a multi-month low on global slowing. U.S. oil production rose to 12.4 million barrels a day, a new record. Great for U.S. jobs and creating wealth. Iron ore fell to $99 a ton, off recent highs as global manufacturing continues to slow. Scrap steel number one, HMS, fell about $25 to $236, a multi-year low on slowing demand. Hot rolled coil steel fell to $28.38, again a multi-year low on pressure from imports and a slowing economy. Copper was steady at $2.62, near two-year lows on global slowing, especially in China and the U.S. Aluminum fell to 78.9 cents, again a multi-year low as automotive and construction industries continue to slow. Tariff news. Tariffs on Mexican goods of 5% escalating to 25% are off for now. Trump is set to meet with China's Prime Minister in a few weeks to discuss trade, and the U.S. has stated it's ready to hit China with yet more tariffs if no deal. China will be naming unreliable U.S. companies, meaning China will reduce business with these companies. The trade war continues the global damage, and that includes less Chinese tourists spending money in the U.S. May's U.S. new jobs were a low 75,000. The economy remains good, but it is slowing. Job creation averaged 223,000 a month in 2018 and a greatly reduced 164,000 in 2019. U.S. manufacturing job growth continues to decline as the economy slows in the trade war, and the U.S. tax cut is not accelerating growth as forecasted. May's overall U.S. unemployment rate remained at a low 3.6%, which is good news as it levels out at the 49-year low. April's U.S. trade deficit improved, but it was due to a major drop in U.S. exports due to less exports of Boeing jets and less U.S.-made Mercedes and BMWs going to China, while U.S. demand slowed, meaning we imported less cars from Canada and Mexico. U.S. 30-year mortgages are at about a 14-month low as more people get worried about the economy and buy U.S. Treasury bonds, which brings down interest rates. Time to refinance your home, which gives consumers more money and helps the economy. May's U.S. automotive sales were up to a rate of 17.3 million annually, helped by cutting prices to increase sales after a year of trending down. Related, just as discussed, and in a twist of fate, manufacturing of vehicles in the U.S. by Mercedes and BMW is now being hurt by the heavy China tariffs on U.S. goods, which include these U.S.-made vehicles. Wall Street's Dow Jones average rose to 25,984 on the low jobs report, increasing the odds of lower interest rates in the months to come, which will actually help profits. Safety remains the number one issue at BENLEE. Our newly developed hoist-up strobe alarm and electrocution warning sign are standard on every BENLEE roll-off trailer. Effective now, they are for sale for 1 penny. Yes, 1 penny on our store at www.benlee.com. Just pay shipping. Order them today and install them on your older units. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.